Unit 5, Lessons 1 and 2 test. Number 1. Which of the following resources is considered inexhaustible, meaning it never runs out? A. Minerals. B. Solar energy. C. Fossil fuels. Number 2. Sometimes a renewable resource can be considered non-renewable because it is used up faster than it can be replenished. Which of the following choices is an example of this? A. Forests being cut down quicker rate than they can grow. B. Solar energy being used to provide electricity to a home. C. Water in streams replaced by rainfall from the atmosphere. Number 3. The diagram below shows changes in the nucleus of an atom. Which process is occurring in this diagram? A. Energy is released as a result of atomic fission. B. Energy is released during the combustion of a fossil fuel. C. Energy is being stored during the formation of a fossil fuel. Number 4. Which is one of the disadvantages of using fossil fuels as an energy resource? A. Gases released during combustion can form acid rain. B. The heat released during combustion can be used to produce electricity. C. Fossil fuels produce a tremendous amount of energy that is difficult to contain. Number 5. Why is nuclear energy considered to be a non-renewable energy resource? A. Some people do not support the use of nuclear energy as a resource. B. Fuels such as uranium and ore are not replaced in nature as quickly as they are used. C. Atomic fission produces heat that is released as thermal pollution. Number 6. How can the carbon dioxide released by burning of fossil fuels most likely affect the Earth's climate? A. It increases the pH of the Earth's waters. B. It can contribute to global warming. C. It causes waterways to freeze at higher temperatures. Number 7. What is one possible disadvantage of using nuclear energy? A. Harmful gases are released into the atmosphere. B. Accidents could cause radiation to leak into the environment. C. A large number of trees must be cut down to produce electricity. Number 8. Why is petroleum considered to be a non-renewable resource? A. It constantly forms within the earth. B. It is difficult to obtain and transport. C. It requires a very long period of time to form. Number 9. How might the burning of coal lead to damaged plant life? Hint, Step 1. Recall the type of chemicals released by the burning of coal. Step 2. Choose the statement below that correctly identifies how that chemical could damage plant life. A. Sulfur dioxide can combine with drops of water to form acid rain. B. Carbon dioxide is a radioactive material that is dangerous for many years. C. Carbon dioxide causes the remains of plants and animals to decompose at a faster rate. Number 10. How is nuclear energy used to generate electricity? A. Heat is released that produces steam that turns a generator. B. Light energy is released that is absorbed by photoelectric cells. C. Electrons in atoms are made to move through conducting wires. Number 11. Which of the following responses best explains how fossil fuels form? A. Fossil fuels are made by human processes at a factory. B. Fossil fuels form as wind and running water break down fossils. C. Buried plants and animal cells are exposed to heat and pressure and slowly turn into oil, coal, or natural gas. Number 12. Name the 3 most common types of fossil fuels. A. Dinosaur, plankton, and swamp. B. Coal, plankton, and swamp. C. Coal, oil, natural gas. Number 13. What is the advantage of nuclear energy? A. It is a non-renewable energy resource. B. It produces no air pollution. C. It generates a large amount of nuclear waste. Number 14. Which item in this diagram of an electrical power plant is the turbine? Item A is item A, B is item B, C is item C, D is item D. Number 15. Which item in this diagram of an electrical power plant is the generator? A is item A, B is item B, C is item C, D is item D.